Test, 1 2 1 2. Check this out. So AMC has been uptrending, making higher highs and higher lows. Super basic staircase pattern. It's all based off of technicals. I'm not investing in AMC. My intention is to day trade it, and I understand that it's a super risky trade, as you should as well, right? Began to indicate signs of an uptrend, pulled on back, test that same low, pushed up, pulled back, made higher lows, a good sign, step in the right direction. Pushed up, broke previous highs, completely broke out, began to trade around $20 a share, pulled back, made higher lows, again, another great sign. Pushed up, hit highs of 20, 30, pulled on back, validated the EMA line, and is now making new highs. One thing to also take into consideration is that now for some time, we haven't been able to break above the day EMA. Now we are trading above the day EMA, and we'll see, right? We've been able to break above it. It didn't hold very well, pulled right on back. We'll see if it continues to indicate signs of an uptrend. On the 4-hour, we haven't been able to touch the moving average ever since it broke below the moving average back in November. Now we are trading above it. So again, another great sign for AMC. AMC is not an investment. It's a super risky trade. I wanted to show you guys my entries and my exits. This was all caught in today's live trading session. I will even link the live trading session down below. I really began to step on the gas when it began to indicate signs of an uptrend. I locked in profits, pulled on back, bought more, pushed up, locked in profits, pulled back, bought more, pushed up, locked in profits, pulled back, bought more. You know the case. Again, it's just indicating signs of an uptrend. I'm as simple as I can put it, buying the lows, selling the highs. Directions in my favor, and just like we've said so many times before, it only makes sense to trade when direction's in your favor. It's not impossible to trade when it's bearish. It's just so much more difficult, right? Especially with a super risky trade like AMC, right? People in the comment section will be like, oh my God, AMC's a hold, let the squeeze happen, whatever. I guess everyone has their own intention. I'm telling you mine straight up. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It's a day trade. That's all it is to me. That's literally all it is. A quick way on how I can make a quick buck when direction is in my favor and when the stars align and it meets all of my criteria. It doesn't do this very often. One thing that you need to understand, again, I'm not here to sugarcoat it, is that AMC tends to be more bearish than it is bullish. So when it's bullish, it's very short-lived and then it tends to correct itself. I have no other reason to think anything else of it because that's always how it tends to perform. So you need to ask yourself, every time that you choose to take advantage of a trade, what's your intention? Is it a short-term day trade, right? A momentum play? Or is it a swing trade? Do you want to buy and hold, right? Normally for swing trades, I like to have that be more of a quality stock, a stock that's consistently over a period of time indicating signs of an uptrend, because if it's been bullish for a long period of time, it's most likely going to continue to be bullish. But just like AMC, right? It's been bearish more than it's been bullish recently. So this is why, again, how do you separate the two? What's a day trade? What's a swing trade? You need to have a set list of criteria that is met for every single intention and understand that. Your day trades should not turn into swing trades just because your day trade did not go according to plan. Again, a very common mistake. But if you have any specific questions that you want to ask me, feel free to comment that down below. Again, this was all caught in today's live trading session with my Learn Plan Profit group. They're the only people that get to watch me trade live every single day. If you want to watch it, it's the first link down below. That simple. It's a raw live trading. There's no crazy editing or anything like that. It's a live stream that's private just for them. Once you watch that, if you're ready to join the Learn Plan Profit team because you like what you see, you like my thought process, you like how conservative I am when I choose to lock in profits, then click the second link down below. That's my Learn Plan Profit team. It's Learn Plan Profit 2.0, and that's $100 off. So you can join us as soon as tomorrow for our live trading session. I appreciate you guys' time. Up a little bit over, as of right now, 10K on the day. I guess we'll follow up and see where the day goes. But like always, hope that I earned your thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.